Energy, we need it every day. In order to live, work, and thrive, we need its never-ending supply to enjoy its phenomenal benefits. And know that it can drive us to reach our goals. Every single project and company needs a reliable partner who inspires them to keep moving forward. Eneria is right there. For over 20 years, we've lived and breathed supplying business with energy to operate and grow. We contribute to the Polish economy's acceleration, supporting its all verticals, including agriculture, farming, rail, and mining industries. We provide power safety to factories, hospitals, data centers, and strategic facilities. We provide engines and power generators for yachts, fishing boats, freights, and military ships. We build electrical installations in industrial and commercial facilities, as well as public buildings. Our planet and its sustainability are our highest priority. We create environment-friendly solutions, such as gas-fired combined heat and power plant, and renewable energy from biogas and photovoltaic panels, thus meeting the latest environmental standards. We are proud of all our accomplishments, and none of them would ever be possible without Eneria's experts and engineers. We are always there for our clients to support them with our vast experience at every stage of the project. Thanks to our nationwide offices, we can provide technical support within just a few hours to any site working with our equipment, ensuring uninterrupted and reliable access to power. The world continues to move forward, and new challenges await us. We are ready for what's next, and we are constantly evolving. But one thing remains constant: Eneria, providing energy for action.